it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art video, Miri and I will be showing you 10 super quick and easy nail art ideas that can be done in just 1 or 2 steps over an already existing solid color mani. So if you're running late for an event and would like to add something a little special to your plain manicure, we have 10 ideas for you to be a little extra. These designs also work great if you're just simply lazy. The first design is a super easy but cute polka dot design. First, add 3 vertical rows of polka dots down your nail using a dotting tool. Make sure to leave space between the dots. Then, without having to wait for the first set of dots to dry, you can choose another nail polish color and add some slightly smaller dots in between the first ones. All done! The next one is a classic whimsical design. Using a thin striping brush, draw 2 curved lines coming out from each side of your nail. Then add 2 little rows of polka dots. So quick and easy. The third design is a sparkly glitter gradient nail tip. For this nail design, we're using the shade Base Reveal from the CutePolish NCLA collection. The whole collection is on sale right now, so if you'd like to check it out, click the link in the description below. To create the gradient, focus most of the glitter on the very tip of the nail, and then allow some smaller pieces to go further down your nail near your cuticle. Perfect! Another quick way to get a fun nail design is by using nail vinyls. Here we're using a zebra print inspired one. Just stick the vinyl on the nail, fill it in using nail polish, and then peel it off to reveal a perfect nail design. Super quick and easy! The last design on this hand is a simple floral print using a toothpick. To create the flowers, add 5 tiny dots around in a circle for the petals. Once you've added all the flowers, you can fill in the empty spaces with single polka dots. Then just use a metallic gold polish to add the centers to the flowers. Super cute! Moving right along to the other hand, we have a simple one-color gradient. Using a makeup sponge, paint on a layer of nail polish that is a shade or 2 darker than the one you're already using. Start at the tip and sponge down the nail. You can go ahead and add a second layer onto the sponge if you'd like, and then darken the very tip of the nail for a more seamless ombre. The top coat at the end will also help blend the colors together. Clean up and you're done! The easiest way to get an intricate nail art design is through nail stamping. Choose an image, add the polish, scrape, push your stamper over the image to pick it up, and then press it onto your nail, and voila! All done! The dry brush technique is one of our all-time favorite ways to easily get an abstract-looking design. Choose a color and wipe off the brush really well in the neck of the bottle so there's very little product left. Then swipe the brush in different directions over your nail. Try using a metallic color for it so it really catches the light. This is such a quick and simple design. The next design is a geometric one. To get a trendy looking triangle coming up from the cuticle, all you need is some tape. Add 2 pieces over your nail to create the triangle shape. Then fill in the space with nail polish and quickly remove the tape before the polish dries. This design would look great with glitter or metallic polish as well. The last design is a simple French tip. Using a paintbrush, swipe white nail polish from both sides of the nail tip towards the center. Clean up any excess and you're all done. Finish off with a top coat to seal in your designs and add a beautiful shine. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click here or here to watch more videos on CutePolish. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking here. Also, make sure to check out Miri's personal channel. She's the one who painted these nail designs today. The link is in the description. Take care, and I'll see you next time!